Hey besties, in today's video I'll be sharing with you top 7 secret apps that pay you every day. Make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Let's just get right into it. The first website on my list is rewardy.io. Hey, yes, so guys, do you know that you can earn money by listening to music? Yes, by installing apps and so much more on this app. You can get up to $500, yes, on this app. Yes, so I'm telling you, I'm going to put the link in my description. You're welcome. Now, the next website on my list here is TryMata or TryMata.com. And you know what? You can get paid to use websites and apps and of course give your honest feedback. Yes, you can get up to $30 per test on TryMata.com. Yes, so go to TryMata.com and begin to make money from today. I'm telling you, if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you're new to. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, you know, I share with you various ways to make money. We're not sleeping. Yeah, so on this channel, make sure that you make it a date. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. But without further ado, let's just continue. Hey, let's get right into it. On this channel, we are making money, not money, every single day. So guys, let's get right into today's business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. I'm sure that you'll agree with me that in the digital landscape, your side hustle is not limited by geography or time zones. You can actually work from anywhere in the world. Yes, technology empowers you to earn a side income on your own terms whenever you want to and wherever you are. And guess what, guys? I have researched and curated a list of the top websites, apps, and online platforms that pay you every day. They are multidisciplinary, and all you need to do is to create your own accounts and start performing the tasks, you know, like completing various tasks. It could be writing, it could be listening to music, it could be completing surveys, it could be testing apps, you know, technical content writing, and so much more. Most of them will pay you between $50 and $500 for each post. And let's check them out together. Guys, to add more value and as a USP of this channel, at the end of today's video, I'll design for you guys a cheat sheet, yes, of the websites for you guys to use, to download it, to share on LinkedIn with your friends and your colleagues. And also I'll be spilling the tea for you guys, ain't me? So let's get started. Yes, check out these insane websites. Yes, they are websites and platforms that pay you to use them, and you can start a side hustle. The first one on my list is Swagbox. All you need to do is complete online surveys and earn money. It's that simple. Yes, you get compensated. You can also get gift cards on Amazon and cash through PayPal. Yes, so go to swagbox.com and start to make money from today. The next website on my list is brandb.io. I'm sure you've not heard of it before. Do you know you can complete surveys and earn gift cards? Yes, you get compensated. You know, you can get free gift cards, paid surveys, and of course, cashbacks. Yes. Have you heard of Money Pantry? Guys, do you know that you can write on finance and business topics and you can get up to $150 to post, yes, to write on these, yes, on these websites. The next one on my list here is called Digital Ocean. Do you know that you can write technical tutorials on that W4DO program? Yes, and you get compensated. Yes, you can get paid up to $50, yes, for each article that you write. And the next website on my list here is SitePoint. Guys, do you know that you can write about web development technologies and you can also get paid? And if you want to write about JavaScript, Python, Rust, WebAssembly, React, Figma, Tailwind, CSS, SitePoint is the right place for you. You can get compensated of up to $500. Yes. The next website on my list here is reward.io. Yes. Have you heard of reward.io? Guys, don't sleep on it. Reward.io is a website or is a platform that pays you to give your honest opinion on certain, you know, goods and services. More like a market research or survey. You get paid on a daily basis. Guys, don't sleep on it. Guys, in summary, head over to rewardy.io and start to make money from today. TryMata.com and start to make money today. Swagbox.com, start to make money from today. Money Pantry, start to write, you know, businesses. You know, if you have a flair for writing, you can actually start to make money from the comfort of your home today. And guys, have you heard of Digital Ocean? It's also a fantastic website or platform where you can also register and start to make money from today. Have you heard of SitePoint.com? Guys, these are some insane platforms that pay you to complete various tasks, whether writing, listening to music, completing surveys, testing apps, or even technical content writing. Go ahead and check them out. Start a side hustle, increase your earnings, and be unstoppable. Guys, I also have a free gift for you guys at the end of today's video. So make sure that you stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. And I'm sure that watching this video has actually made you become smarter, more effective, and of course more productive. Yes, because there are some of these websites, that you can make crazy money from. The next step is for you to use them. And I wish you guys all the very best as you try out some of these websites that I've shared with you on this channel. Make sure that you follow this channel, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Check out my previous videos. And guys, I have a secret I've been keeping. I will share with you guys. Oh, by the way, I found a website where you can make, I found it last night, in fact in the midnight. You can make a lot of money from this website. Guys, don't sleep on it. Like, it's the biggest discovery I have seen in a long time. I haven't seen anything like it. You can make up to $1,850. Yes, for one survey. You can make up to $1,850. I'm not kidding you. Like, this is something I saw, on this website. And there are a lot of them that you can apply for. Yes, there are so many of them that you can apply for. And yes, guys, if you would like to join my Patreon community, if you want to find out before I shoot that video, you can join my Patreon community so that you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. And that way I will fill you in. I will put you through on how to make good money. Like, I kid you not, you can make up to $2,000 in a day. Yes, it's a website that I just found yesterday in the midnight, and of course I'm going to be sharing with you guys right on this channel. So yes, this is my free gift for today. Are you ready? Sit back, relax, and listen. So guys, I'm going to be giving away $100, yes, giveaway on this channel. All you need to do is this: join my Telegram channel. Yes, I have a Telegram channel. Go ahead and join and add 50 people to my Telegram group. When you do that, let me know in the comments. I'm going to confirm the numbers. Do not inflate the numbers. If you do, you're automatically going to be disqualified from, winning this $100 gifts from me to you, and I'm going to be sending it to you from anywhere in the world. So please go ahead and invite 50 people into my Telegram community. I'm going to be selecting random winners in this group, and so go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to join my Telegram community. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. When you do that, come back to this video after adding 50 people to my Telegram group. Come back to this video and let me know in the comments how many people you've successfully been able to add to my group. And that is it for today, guys. Making money is easy. Money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you'll never be broke again. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and of course I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.